Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Supra versus electric car. Focus on performance metrics, driving feel, and maintenance costs to decide what fits you. We will discuss horsepower, torque delivery, 0 to 60 numbers, and real driving impressions that matter most. I will keep explanations clear and practical so you can weigh acceleration excitement against daily usability and long-term costs when choosing between these two options. Compare ownership costs and the realities of long-term budgets when choosing between a Supra and an electric car. I will walk through fuel versus charging expenses, typical maintenance needs, insurance considerations, and resale expectations. Think about how often you drive, whether you can charge at home, and how much roadside service you might need. These practical factors often outweigh headline performance numbers for everyday ownership happiness. Assess practical daily use by considering charging infrastructure, refueling convenience, and cabin comfort for passengers and cargo. I will cover how range, charging time, and public charger availability impact road trips and commuting. We will also compare seating ergonomics and trunk space for groceries, gear, or luggage. By the end, you will know which choice suits routine driving patterns and lifestyle needs without getting lost in technical specs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.